Welcome to Tales from the Underground. This is Kian. On this episode, magba-band feature tayo at i-feature natin ang bandang Timawa. This is a brutal death metal all the way from the Philippines at iba't ibang lugar siya kaya sa Pilipinas siya. Okay, so alamin natin ang tungkol sa bandang to at kilalanin natin sila. So if you're excited to watch this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow my social media accounts. Let's start.
Timawa is a brutal death metal band from the Philippines, located in various locations from Manila, Cebu, and Davao. They have a shared interest and common goal, which is to deliver finest brutal death metal sound that you could experience. The band composed of Steven on vocals, Dotong on guitars, Nilmar on bass and vocals, Donald on drums.
So nakilala ko ang bandang Timawa dahil kay Steven, na vocalist din ng bandang Sagrado. At mataas ang expectation ko sa vocalistang to dahil pinatunayan naman niya sa Sagrado at saka sa Sacred Dog na talagang kaya niya mag-pitch at saka mag-rap. So, alam kong is a great singer. So, na-discover ko din tong bandan ko kasi nga madalas din siya nagpo-post sa kanyang wall at na-discover ko na siya din ang member din ng bandang Timawa. So, hindi na ako nagdalawang isip na check out ang kanilang music. So, I want to share to you this music entitled Death March, and I hope you like it. And that was Imawa's Death March. At ang masasabi ko sa kanilang music ay it's unique, no? Iba siya dun sa konsepto ng sagrado dahil dito talaga yung brutality is all out. Gusto ko yung brutal sound na binibigay nila. It's unique sa pandinig at saka very kakaiba siya. So talagang solid ang tugtugan. Saka yung gusto ko dito yung drum piece, ang solid. Yung sunod-sunod na palo sa tenga ay talaga parang binibril yung eardrum mo at napaka-solid. Saka saktuan talaga sa headbangan. And yun. At kung fan ka ng brutal death, sigurado magugustuhan mo to talaga yun. Yung kabigatan ay all out talaga. Masasabi ko na talaga maganda yung quality ng music na binibigyan na it's like a metal in your face. Okay? So, yun. Ano pa ba masasabi ko? Sabi ko rin yung mga riffs ay panalo. Talagang yung sheer brutality ay nandun. Napaka-evident. Kaya, thumbs up ako sa contribution nila sa kanilang music. So, alam ko na mag-release din sila ng full-length album. So, let's just wait kung ano yung mailalabas sila and I'm looking forward to it. So, for the meantime, pakisuportahan nyo ang bandang Imawa. Ang kanilang social media links is available in the description. So, pakisuportahan ang bandang nila. Let's check out the mosh spots that we could visit for the following days. Alright, so that was all for the video for today, and let me know in the comment sections anong masasabi nyo sa bandang Imawa. Feel free to comment down below, and if you like this video, don't forget to send a thumbs and consider subscribing. Magkita-kita tayo sa susunod na episode ng Tales from the Underground. This is Kian signing off. Rock on, Pilipinas!